Good day all, especially to Sir Leo Arcayos. Me and Mark Florence were here in front of you to discuss about the recommended construction of watertight bulkheads and ship as per SOLAS regulation. SOLAS regulations recommended that watertight bulkheads be constructed with robust materials like steel or aluminum using welding to achieve watertight integrity. The collision bulkhead, a critical watertight bulkhead, should be positioned a certain distance from the forward perpendicular of the ship, as defined SOLAS Chapter 2.1 Regular 12.1. Additionally, watertight doors must be approved, design, substantial construction, and strengthened equivalent to the bulkhead as specified in SOLAS regulation. Ang pasabot ani kanang bulkheads pagama ani like kanang gahi do na materials steel or aluminum kanang para sama ni sa pagwelding para lig-on ni siya.
So, corrugated transverse bulkhead. So, kaning budiga or we call corrugated transverse bulkhead should replace bulkhead stool, transverse floors, bottom shell, and taong top. So, kanya siya makita natin sa mga mostly bulk carriers like cargo. Common na sa bulk carrier, di ba? Mga transverse bulkhead. Yan. So, ang material nga gigamit sa pag-construct ani steel or aluminum. Bulkheads are typically constructed from steel or aluminum plates which are then welded together to form a watertight enclosure. So, ano siya na? Ang paggama sa barko sa dilduhara steel or aluminum yung welding ni siya para way watertight integrity, way tagas. So ang pang welding ani, proper welding techniques are crucial for achieving watertight integrity. Welds should be designed to withstand the pressure and stress they will experience. So kailangan jud pag-proper ni og pag-welding kay una ang watertight integrity na agas sample ang mga nakikarga nga grains mabasa. So ang purpose na ang may tabo ninyo is matakid ang barko, kailangan na proper pag welding or no watertight integrity. So ang stiffeners, bulkheads may be strengthened by vertical stiffeners or material construction, steel or aluminum. So muna gagamit sa paghimo sa bulkheads. So bulkheads are typically constructed from steel or aluminum plates which are welded together to form a watertight enclosure. So pasabot ni ang enclosure kanang sira din mismo kanang way tagas para mga kargada di mabasa. Welding. Proper welding techniques are crucial for achieving watertight integrity. Welds should be designed to withstand the pressure and stress they will experience. So, pag welding dyan kailangan proper. Kaya once na dili proper, so may tabo nga, magtagas or magtukto nga tubig. So, labi na og bulk carrier, ang mga kargo na nato mabasa. So, by the kumpanya. So, dapat natin proper nga enclosure, proper welding. So stiffeners, bulkheads may be strengthened by vertical stiffeners or by incorporating corrugated plates for increased strength and reduced weight. Ang stiffeners mo din ang bali kung sabay pa mga haligay-ligi. So mas important is kung siya makita naman siya nga naka-vertical mo na stiffeners bali haligi ni siya.
Number 2, the collision bulkhead. Positioning. The collision bulkhead, a vital component for preventing flooding in a collision, must be located a specific distance from the forward perpendicular of the ship as per SOLAS vision. Muna katong siyang nas atubangan ang bulkhead, collision bulkhead. SOLAS regulation, SOLAS chapter 2 regulation 12.1 specify that the collision bulkhead should be positioned not less than 5% of the ship length or 10 meters, whichever is this, and not more than 8% of the ship length from the forward perpendicular. Ang purpose niya is the location of the collision bulkhead is carefully considered to balance the needed to maximum cargo storage volume with the structural integrity of the ship.
Watertight doors. Design and construction. Watertight doors must be of an approved design and substantial construction, ensuring they are capable of withstanding the pressures and stiffers they will encounter. So, watertight doors, design ni para construction para ang watertight doors i-aprobahan, approved design, so substantial construction. So, fourth one is strength. The strength of the watertight doors should be equivalent to the strength of the bulkheads in which they are fitted. So, fitted is nawagad toto. So, fifth one is maintenance. Watertight doors require regular maintenance, including check for leaks and proper functioning of hydraulic systems. So, una yung pinaka-importante sa mga tanan, ang pag-maintenance. Check ka ng mga hydraulic system, kung ano ba, kaya ang, for example, bulk carrier tong barko, o ka ng hatches, di mo na naman, gigamitan ng hydraulic system, so dapat na i-maintenance. So, 6 one is SOLAS regulation. SOLAS regulations specify the condition angular with which watertight doors can be opened and closed, with the general principle being that they should be closed of sea except when in use. So, ang SOLAS regulation or safety life of sea, so nabilong po ni ang watertight integrity. Kaya ang SOLAS, more on dyan siya mga life raft, mga rescue boat. So, dapat, ang watertight doors is nabilong siya sa SOLAS para check on mga condition pa ba ang mga bulkheads, mga keel, yan na.
For the general principles, subdivision. Watertight bulkheads play a crucial role in the subdivision of the ship, creating watertight compartment that help preventing flooding in case of damage. Kanisiya ka ng creating watertight compartments, preventing flooding kung naamang gani mga damage. So next is the damage control. The arrangement and construction of bulkheads are essential for effective damage control measures. Kani siya ng muni siya ang mo-control sa damage kung naamang gani mga damage o unsa pa na klase nga damage, control din ninyo. And to arrange stability. Watertight bulkheads contribute the stability of the ship, particular when compartments are flooded. So nagya po ng stability no in case og mga mag-flooded na, maintain ka po ng stability. And lastly, the adhering to SOLAS regulation regarding to the construction and positioning of watertight bulkheads, ships can minimize the risk of flooding and ensure the safety of life and property at sea. That's the end of our discussion about the recommended construction of watertight bulkheads in ship as per SOLAS regulation. So, unta na mo ma-learn sa among gi-discuss karon, og naa man gani mga kuwang-kuwang nga gipang sulti abot ani, nara ma-search sa ninyo sa Google og katunan pa nato para daghan pa tayo mga katunanan eh. So that's all. Thank you and good day all.